Friends, today's video is very important, especially for those who work with diesel engines, power tillers, or various agricultural machines, because currently the prices of almost all types of engine parts in the market have increased significantly. And the most discussed is the increase in the prices of liner kits and condensers. Parts that were previously available at a relatively low price now have to spend extra money to buy the same parts. Especially the prices of various parts of famous companies, including Royal Gold, RS Gold, have increased again. Some parts may have increased by 2, 4, 5, or 10 taka. Again, some important parts have a difference of 100 to 200 taka. Now I will give you some real examples. A Royal Gold condenser, which used to retail for between 2,350 and 2,400 taka, now costs at least 2,500 taka. Royal Gold steering gear set used to retail for 2,570 taka. Now it has to be sold for at least 2,600 taka. The Royal Gold liner kit for a 12-horsepower engine, which was previously sold for 2,150 taka in the retail market, now costs at least 2,250 taka. That is, it has increased by 100 taka in one jump. Similarly, a liner kit for a 16-horsepower engine, where it was previously available for 2,250 taka, now has to be sold in the retail market for at least 2,350 taka. And the liner kit for a 20-horsepower engine, which was previously available for 2,500 taka, now costs around 2,700 taka. This means that just buying a liner kit now costs an additional 200 taka. In addition, the prices of various gears, bearings, chains of the gearbox, the prices of almost all types of goods, including engine oil pumps, nozzles, plunger kits, etc., have increased somewhat. And the biggest impact of this price increase is on the farmers, because now it costs much more to do a major job on a power tiller than before. However, one thing must be kept in mind at this time. Many people buy low-quality things in the hope of getting parts at a low price, but using poor-quality parts can lead to greater losses later. So try to use good quality and reliable parts as much as possible. Friends, these are the current prices in our local market. You can tell us in the comments which company's parts are the most popular in your area and what their prices are. And friends, if you want, then later I will also make a detailed video on which good quality parts can be used at a low price as an alternative to various expensive parts, including RS Gold, Royal Gold. If you find the video informative, then definitely give it a like. Share the video so that others can also know about the current market situation. And subscribe to the KSEW Tech channel to get real and reliable information related to diesel engines and power tillers. Thank you. Stay well, keep up the good work.